Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Bucks County in southeast Pennsylvania, southern Montgomery County in southeast Pennsylvania, Philadelphia County in southeast Pennsylvania, northern Delaware County in southeast Pennsylvania, east central Chester County in southeast Pennsylvania, until 7 a.m. At 6:04 a.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm. The storm was near West Goshen, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. This storm is capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Phoenixville around 6:15 a.m., Newtown Square and Broomall around 6:20 a.m., Radnor Township and Trout Lake around 6:25 a.m., Bryn Mawr and Norristown around 6:30 a.m., Conshohocken and Knobworth around 6:35 a.m., Chestnut Hill and Plymouth meeting around 6:40 a.m. Doppler radar has indicated some rotation within the storm. While not immediately likely, a tornado may still develop. If a tornado is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety in a sturdy structure, such as a basement or small interior room on the lowest floor. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 a.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Bucks, Chester, Delaware, Montgomery, and Philadelphia.
The National